Hi guys, welcome back to Maxinescorner. I'm gonna show you an easy, quick, real fast way how to meal prep. Put everything together, just make it into one simple meal. You can put it in the refrigerator and have it for the entire week. I'm going to be showing you how to make yummy, delicious, homemade chili. So let's get started. But before I get started, I just want to let you guys know, don't forget to sign up for the weight loss support group. It's absolutely free. Why not, right? We have great recipes. We do challenges weekly, sometimes monthly. I think you're gonna absolutely love it, especially if you want to lose that extra 5 or 10 pounds. If you got a wedding you have to go to, if you're getting married, whatever the occasion is, sometimes you just want to lose an extra pound. If you want to just get healthier, then this is a great group for you. And also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not hit that little bell and hit that little subscribe button so you will not miss another video. So with that being said, let's see how to make this. It's a great recipe. You can have it for lunch. You can have it for dinner. Your family's gonna love it. It's absolutely healthy and you won't be disappointed. All right, so that's all I have for today. That's it for Maxine's Corner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And what? Stay healthy.